Okay, so we've all had some time to write about what we know and what we wonder about distances in space. We've written those in our Padlet today. So let's take a look at our Padlet and see what everybody knows and wonders about space. Let's see. Okay, Annie, what do you know about distances in space? Yes, very good. Mercury is closest to the sun. Excellent. Sean, what do you know? Very good. Neptune is far away from the Earth. Very good. How far away do you think it is? Take a guess. 200 million miles? That's a really good guess. Okay. Let's see. Jenny, what do you know? Right, good. Earth is between Venus and Mars. Okay. And Stephen, what do you know? Very good. Yes, the gas giants are farther from the sun than the rocky planets. Very good. Can you give me an example of one of the gas giant planets? Jupiter, yes, the biggest planet in the solar system. Excellent job. Okay, now let's look at what we wonder. That's in the W column. Let's start from the bottom. Stephen, what do you wonder? Very good. How far away is the farthest star? Very good. Take a guess. How far do you think it is? A bazillion miles? Okay. Is bazillion a number? A real number? No, right? But people often use the word bazillion when they want to talk about a very big number. So that's a good guess. Okay, how about Jenny? What do you wonder? How fast does light travel? Wow, that's a good question. We'll learn that today. We'll find the answer to that today in our video. And John, what do you wonder? How long would it take you to travel to Neptune? Good. Do you want to visit Neptune? Okay. How long do you think it would take? Just take a guess. Okay, maybe 6 months. That's a good guess. Very good. Okay, and Annie, what do you wonder? How far away is the Earth from the sun? That's a good question. We'll learn that today too. Okay, so next we're going to watch our video. Bill Nye the Science Guy talking about distances in space. He won't answer all the questions you have. We won't answer all the things we wonder. But for the ones that are not answered today, we'll come back later in another class and answer all these other questions. So today we're going to start by listening for gist. What is gist? Does anybody remember? Yes, very good, Stephen. The overall meaning, right? So don't worry about trying to hear every fact. Just relax and get an idea of what he is trying to tell us today. Okay? So we'll watch the first 3 minutes of this video. Here we go. Okay, so now that we've watched the video, let's talk about it. What did you think about it? Very good. You thought it was funny? Why? Right, he was so excited, right? Right? What else made it funny? He made jokes, right? Yes, I like how he makes jokes during his videos. It makes it a lot more fun to watch, doesn't it? Right, very good. What else did you think about it? Yes, Sean. Very good. You thought it was cool how he used objects, right? Like balls to show how far things were. Right, very good. Excellent. Why do you think he did that? Why do you need to show us a picture? Yes, very good. Because when we have something physical, right, something we can touch or see, it helps us understand it better, right? So when he shows us that this is the sun and this tiny little ball is the earth, right, we really understand how small the earth is compared to the sun. Very good. Excellent job. Okay. Did you guys like the video? Yes. Okay, good. I'm glad you liked it. Bill Nye is one of my favorite teachers on TV, so I was happy to be able to share that with you today. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the main idea. What was the main idea of this part of the video? Okay, how far the Earth is from the sun? That's a good guess, Jenny, but that's a detail that supports the main idea. What's the main idea? Yes, Stephen. Good, distances in space. What about distances in space? Good, they are very big. Good. Here's another word we can use to describe that. Vast. Does anyone know what vast means? Yes, very good, very far. Excellent. So distances in space are very vast. Okay, so now we're going to listen to the video a second time. And this time I want you to listen carefully and take notes on the details that support the main idea. Okay? Okay, so now that we've listened to the video a second time, I would like you to go into your Padlet, find the L column. It says L. Find your card under that column and write at least 3 supporting details. 3 supporting details that you heard in the video that support the main idea. What's the main idea again? Good. Distances in space are vast. Good. Okay, so take a minute and write down at least 3 supporting details under your card in our Padlet today. Okay, let's talk about some of these details. Sean, can you give me one detail to support the main idea? Very good. If Earth were the size of a pen tip, how far would the sun be? Right, it would be 20 meters away. Wow, that's huge, right? Okay, let's find another detail. Stephen. Very good. Galaxies look like tiny points of light. Why? Right, because they are so far away. Very good. Are galaxies actually tiny? No, good. They are huge, right? Very good. So why does he mention that? That galaxies look like tiny points of light. How does that support the main idea? Yes, very good. It shows us how far away things are in space. Even huge galaxies look really small from Earth, right? Very good.